Well, you've heard of storm chasers. We're storm runner-awayers today. That was terrible.
Yeah. Get up.
So we're making sure that we get back to cover before the rain comes, and I think we're gonna be fine. But I just took care of some business on the bike. We wrapped up the swing arm in the back with that 3M vinyl wrap, and so we're all set. Officially done with this mod on the bike with the rear fender, and man, it just feels good. It feels good to be done and now just enjoy riding and not worry about any of that. And with that being said, we'll probably get right back to it depending on you know, budgeting constraints and whatnot, so we can take care of stuff like these the clutch and brake lever, and maybe these pegs down below. But with all that in mind, with all these changes coming to the channel, I just purchased a 27-inch iMac, which has been used to make a couple videos so far, and that's been awesome. So we have more editing power, and we also have more storage space, so we don't have to delete everything once we're done with it. So we can keep a little bit of an archive, and I plan on getting a little bit of extra storage too to store those videos. But we're making some changes on this channel, some positive changes. We've also made an upgrade to your ability to get in contact and to keep up with that one guy. And we have established a web page for that one guy. So that one guy has an official web page now. It's up and going. You know, it's very limited as to what it has up there right now. But in addition to my Instagram page and my Facebook page, where you can check me out and see content that you can't always just catch here on the YouTube channel, you can check me out also on Twitter, which I'm not too active on Twitter, so don't get all excited about that. But in addition to social media accounts that you can check out that one guy on, we now have an official web page. So it's just getting started now. I'll have a link down there in the description. But we've got the page up, and it's, again, like I said, it's very limited as to what it has up there right now. It has a photo gallery, it has links to, you know, to come back here to the YouTube channel. But what I plan to do, besides have exclusive photos that you won't be able to catch anywhere else, sometime in the near future, I hope to also have merchandise available. And this is a kind of a preliminary thing, because, you know, I only have about 350 subscribers at this point. But why I chose to make this webpage and to go live with the webpage this far in advance is because my subscriber count is increasing every day. And what I don't want to happen is to, you know, have there be kind of a need, and there's never a need for, but to kind of have that demand for, you know, for more content and for merch, if you're interested in, is to have that stuff, you know, to get a subscriber base as to where people are in search of more stuff that's that one guy related, and then to not be ready for it. So just kind of getting ahead of the game and establishing that web page right now, which again you can go to with the link in the description. But besides the merchandise and the exclusive content, I'll also probably throw up some videos there that you won't be able to catch on YouTube or on Instagram or Facebook. So there'll be exclusive content there with videos and photos, and as well as an opportunity to get some that one guy merchandise. But I'll also throw up, and it's live right now, so if you want to go to the web page and try it out, even if you just want to test it out, a way to contact me. So what you can do is write me a message. You can ask me a question, or a question that you have about me or the channel or my bike or the bikes that I've ridden. But my webpage will go straight to my email. I'm constantly on my email. That's probably the best way to get a hold of me, is to shoot me a message from my webpage, and that'll go straight to my email. So check out my Instagram page, check out my Facebook page, and definitely check out the new webpage. Leave it in the comments what you think, or you could just shoot me a message right there from that webpage and let me know what you think. Improvements, things that you like, things that you don't like, things that you would like to see, and you will see those changes, because I definitely take the feedback that I get from my subscribers or my followers, and I try to apply it to my channel. So guys, that's all I've got for today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up down there to indicate that you like it, and if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button, which I'll pop up right here, and check out what's going on with that one guy. I'll also throw up some links over here in this direction so you guys can go straight to one of my other videos. Guys, if you're riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I'm out.